Good morning, everyone. This is class 6th English. An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. In 1997, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So this is the chapter about astronaut Kalpana Chawla. A news report: tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying Indian-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. 1930 hours IST, means Indian Standard Time, at 7:30 at evening. As it came in for landing, it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003. From the Kennedy Space Center, Florida, it had stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So here is the chapter about Columbia Space Shuttle and Kalpana Chawla. 1. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. So she studied, and she was child of Karnal, Haryana, India. She graduated from Tagore School. 2. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. देखो, इसने एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग यानी आसमान में जो फ्लाइट्स उड़ाने के लिए उसमें ग्रेजुएट बैचलर हुई थी, साइंस डिग्री ली थी, और फिर अमेरिका पढ़ने के लिए गई थी वो मास्टर डिग्री के लिए. उनके पापा जो हैं उनके विरोधी थे कि भाई मत जाओ. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the. She is Kalpana Chawla, an Indian American woman in space. Launched pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. Florida is a city in USA, which we call America, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Columbia was a space shuttle which was in the journey of space. Space is outside of Earth. From here, 800,000 kilometers above from the Earth's surface. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean-Pierre Harrison. देखो इसने Jean-Pierre Harrison से शादी की, इसलिए वो यूएस की सिटीजन बन गई, वहां रह गई. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. वो सब ये चला सकती थी. Airplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. देखो नासा है वो नेशनल एरोस्पेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, वो अमेरिका की जो एक एजेंसी है जो आसमान में या अलग अलग जो प्लैनेट्स हैं उनकी खोज के लिए स्पेस शटल भेजती है. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. 1 million means 10 lakh. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. On the Saturday night when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. This is Columbia Space Shuttle. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything. From biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering, in this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from small town who touched the skis means sky, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia to students for her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the reason to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. Adapted from Span, January-February 1998. So this was the story about Kalpana Chawla. Now these are question answers. I have written them. You can read them. This is British English and American English. Spelling differences. Here is poem Beauty. What is beauty? Try to describe what beauty is, or list some the things or persons you think are beautiful. Now let us read a poem on beauty. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. Beauty we can see in sunlight. Wherever the light falls on the earth, there is beauty. Everything is visible there. The trees, the birds. The beauty lies in the trees, the birds. Corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is where their corn is growing and people working there or dancing for their harvesting. Beauty is heard. Beauty can be heard in the night. In the night you can listen so many beautiful and soft sounds. Wind sighing, rain falling, or a single singer chanting, anything in the earnest. Whenever rain is falling, there is beauty can be heard, or singer is chanting, or wind is sighing, wind is passing. The beauty can be seen there. Beauty is in yourself. Beauty is also in yourself. Good deeds, if you do good works, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Shure. So this is the poem about beauty. We can see beauty in anything. We can see heart, and beauty also lies within us when we do good deeds, good things. We think good things, and our happy thoughts, etc. So this is the end of this video. Goodbye.